Medium Employer of the Year, Carmarthenshire Construction Training Association Limited. Carmarthenshire Construction Training Association launched a shared apprenticeship programme to address the problem of retention of young people and their qualification levels. After 7 years, the programme has recruited 140 apprentices, of whom 53 are currently employed through the association. Last year, 29 individuals achieved a foundation apprenticeship and 26 achieved an apprenticeship in bricklaying, carpentry, electrical, plastering and plumbing. A significant number of these have been employed by local contractors. 3 are in bursary schemes in heritage and 1 has become a self-employed contractor. Urdd Gobaith Cymru. Urdd Gobaith Cymru is one of Wales' leading children's and youth organisations, providing a range of opportunities through clubs, schools and community groups. The organisation is delivering apprenticeship programmes in active leisure and customer services and an activity leadership NVQ through Babcock. Following the introduction of its apprenticeship programme and the recruitment of its 10 apprentices, the Urdd Group has developed its range of activities in more community areas. Andrew Price Group. Employees within the hairdressing industry have to be trained to the very highest standards to provide the quality service clients now expect. Andrew Price Salons has used the apprenticeship programme to meet these standards since establishing itself in Tenby 26 years ago. It is now one of the region's largest hairdressing groups, employing 115 staff at 9 salons. Over the past 4 years, 88% of apprentices have completed their foundation apprenticeship within the business, and 66% have moved on to the next level and undertaken an apprenticeship.